Hey guys, it's Mark here, and it's really been a while since I did another video. And not just that, I've been busy with my internship, and recently there's a 11/11 sales and I went online and got something and it arrived today. This is item number 1, and this video will be somewhere like I'll make some item somewhere here and there. So yeah, so let's open this box up. That was pretty easy. Let's open up. Oh god. Oh! Okay, recently there's 11/11 sales, and not just that, there is a particular phone. It was really cheap. It was the Zenfone 4 Selfie, and I don't think you can see it. But yeah, sure. So it was nice. They are quite nice to provide a bag, which is a Zenfone 3. And while I ordered, it was a Zenfone 4 Selfie. Anyhow, the bag is not that important, so move on. Other stuff they gave, there was a screen protector, not even tempered glass. But for a cheap phone that cost 299 ringgit, honestly, I couldn't complain much. And then some paperwork here and there. Why is there so many papers in the box? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna put this away. So let's do the unboxing. And yes, my hair is super long. Okay, seriously, I have no ouch. My knife dropped. Oh, it's here. Do I open it here? Yeah. Yaza. I do a very careful unboxing because I don't like to ruin the box. I try my best not to ruin the box, but normally it's... Oh, it's ruined. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, nope, never mind. Oh shit. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, it's partially ruined, but sure. It's okay. Oh no, it's ruined more. Okay, I'm keeping the knife away and my hair is a mess. It is a mess. Let's unbox the phone. Oh my god. Oh, why is it so tight? Oh wait, I didn't. Never mind, it's okay. Ooh. Dust cleaner. I mean, it helps to protect from dust. Let's see what's inside. I'll probably do a follow-up video for this, like a proper review. So, yeah. Oops. I don't remember what color I ordered, but apparently, and they were nice enough to give us a case. I mean, it's normally what's inside the box. This is another what's inside video. It's a clear case. And a bunch of user manual that is quite unnecessary. Please put it in digital format. Go green, please, people. Then again, this phone is like 2016, 17. I'm just gonna put it right here somewhere. Opening up the plastic carefully. Yes, I'm that careful person. I shouldn't be saying that anymore. I should stop. Yes, clear foam plastic case. It looks a bit yellowish. Then again, it's an old phone. I couldn't complain much. Or maybe it's the room that I'm in. And this wall is not that nice, so I have no other options. Okay, let's put this aside. Oh, a SIM ejector too. So, okay. Let's go to the phone. I hope I don't drop it. Oops. Actually, the gold looks pretty good and it's sliding down. This is not metal, it's plastic. Definitely. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. Size-wise, doesn't seem too bad. And the variant I got here is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Honestly, for $299, you couldn't find a storage size like this and a RAM size like that. But the downside is a Snapdragon 8425. If I'm wrong again, I'm gonna pop it up here again. I have memory issue right now since my internship has been really crazy and I barely had any time. And let's get into what's inside, and it's been a while. Yes, I'm a bit nuts, but yeah, sure. Okay, a charging brick. Yeah, it's quite nice looking charging brick. It's a 1 amp charger. Okay, never mind. Oh, it was nice enough to they provide a earphone. It's really rare. I remember in 2017 I buy the Redmi 4A, links to the video somewhere here, or the iCard thing here, and a very nice looking micro USB cable. Yay! Okay. Okay, that's it for the video for today. Maybe there's another item, I'm just gonna cut it somewhere here and there, and yeah. And I'm not gonna cuss. I'm not gonna cuss. That's what I tell myself every day. And look at where I am. I would love to blame it on something else, but then yeah, no, I'm not gonna blame it on something else. I'm here cussing. No more cussing. Anyhow, that's it guys. Goodbye, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like it. And there's probably more video content since I have more items I want to review. So stay tuned, and this video is gonna be probably uploaded like in December. Or maybe it's starting early December. It's probably after my internship. So yeah. Okay, see ya!